Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com. Making this a small video about trading into this week as a midweek recap. So let's get started here. Monday, the week started on the 1st September. There are a couple of trades which were the entries were taken on last Friday, and they were carried over into this week. So this is one of them, Euro Yen. Entry was last Friday and closed here on the 1st. And the next one is Pound CAD. The same thing, entry was on last Friday. And then this Pound CAD, you're going to see a lot of pound short because of the pound weakness, right? So this is how Pound CAD, the second entry. This is the second trade basically. And then you have Pound Aussie. Entry here, beautiful entry. This was an entry too. I missed this one, and then no need to take this one, right? And this is off of 20-minute chart. After the holiday of time, June, July. Now we went into the August and September now. So remember, in June, July we were using only 7-minute entry system, and now slowly switching towards 20 minutes. So you're gonna see a lot more 20 minutes because the volume is coming back and more bigger moves are happening, so we can easily take 20-minute setups now. So next week, maybe this month in September, first week and second week, we will be switching totally to 20-minute chart entries. Okay, so now this one on the second, and this one on the pound USD again on the second. Because of the pound weakness, and then Euro Aussie sell order, beautiful entry here all the way down, and then it went up a little bit here. It gave me another entry, and I showed it again the same day. See, this is 3rd September here, and then you can see this is where it went up here a little bit, and then again make an entry there for another one, 60 pips more. Now on the 4th, it's a lot of trades yesterday on the 4th. Today is morning 5th. Morning of the 5th September, right? So this is on the 4th. Aussie Yen went up nice and clean. Euro Yen also, because of the Yen weakness coming up, so Yen started to get weaker and drag all the Yen pairs to the upside. Now Pound Aussie, again pound started getting strong because of something happened there politically. The election was denied, and there was some voting or something about the Brexit, right? So pound start to get strong, and all pound pairs start to move to the upside. So this is here. This is one of my entry here from all the way here, and it went up all the way to the upside. Now this is the one, Pound Aussie. This is Pound Aussie, beautiful entry, and here we go. This is from 20 minutes chart. This is Pound USD. Look at how nice and clean. The big move, retracement, and then entry. All of these are beautiful entries. You can just simply take it when the red candle turn into blue, and that's it. Start going to the upside. But you have to have a backup system like what we have is after the fundy. We look for these entries from either 7-minute or 20-minute. It depends. This is what I teach in my webinars. Once you join, you're going to be attending the webinars, getting the system, learning everything, if you want to join. So now this is on the 4th, again Pound Yen. I miss all these entries, man. Beautiful move. I didn't miss, but I was busy to, you cannot have 2-minute trades because it's very hard to manage them, right? So my hands were full, so I said forget about this one. But once they were closed, I took the small one the last moment, and this is a small Pound Yen trade to the upside. And the last but not the least is USDCAD. This is an excellent entry which I missed, but I just took this one. This one was also a very good entry. This one was also all of these. The system gives you a lot of entries, especially the 7-minute chart, if you know what you're doing. And this is what I teach in my webinars to my subscribers. So if you like what you saw, then go on my website here, myforex.com, and subscribe, get the system, set up the charts, and start trading. If you have any difficulty in setting up the charts or anything, I will get on the Skype and teach you one-on-one not the whole course, but just to maybe 30-minute, 40-minute session to get you going, set up your charts, the profiles, make the indicator working, alarm, EA working, everything, and within one day you will be up and running. And from there you can attend my webinars, watch the previous recordings. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn about the harmonic patterns, anglet waves, support resistance, how to take entries from this system, and most of all, this system, how to use and make the most out of this system. Okay, so again, if you want, go to my website, subscribe, and get going. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or the rest of the week.